Good afternoon, and what a gorgeous one, and what a gorgeous car. It's David at Fine Line Classic Cars Northampton. I'd just like to show you around our 2000 registered Morgan 4.4. We've just taken the car in part exchange from a chap from Derby who bought a newer model from us. We've had a few Morgans in our time, but this is quite amazing. It's done just 45,000 miles from new. It's just 1,800 miles a year. It's been garaged, it's been treasured. The paintwork is quite remarkable. We've got all the bills, service history, receipts from nearly new. A lot of the maintenance has been carried out by Morgan main dealers and Morgan specialists. It's just absolutely gorgeous. It's fitted with the chrome wire wheels. The walnut dash. And the tonneau cover. And the hood and the frame is underneath. It's just quite remarkable condition. It's got the traditional round door mirrors. It's also got the wind deflectors, ideal in a Morgan. Yeah, if you're looking for a nice Morgan in the right colour, I think you go a long way to find a better one. The reg number comes with it, M600 MOG. We'll have 40 or 50 photographs on our website, which is Fine Line Classic Cars Northampton. The advertised price will be $22,995, which in the Morgan world, you're struggling to find anything really for that sort of price. If you'd like any further details, please call myself David on 01604 842 091 or 07787 573 255, or visit our website Fine Line Classic Cars Northampton. Nationwide delivery is arranged and we'll consider any classic car in part exchange. Thank you for watching, and if you could please take your time to like and subscribe, it would be much appreciated.